Having trouble staying motivated at the gym? You're not alone. It's a challenge that many of us face, regardless of our fitness levels or goals. You see, motivation is not a constant. It ebbs and flows, much like the tide. Some days we're raring to go, ready to crush our workouts. Other days it's a struggle just to lace up those sneakers. This lack of motivation isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a roadblock on our fitness journey, hindering progress and preventing us from reaching our full potential. It's like trying to drive with the parking brake on. You're not going anywhere fast. The importance of maintaining motivation cannot be understated. It's the fuel that keeps us moving forward, the spark that ignites our determination to push past our limits. But don't worry, there are ways to defeat this lack of motivation. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. So stick around. Let's conquer this challenge together. Scene script. Here are some practical and easy to implement tips to keep your motivation levels high. First up, let's talk about setting achievable goals. It's essential to have a clear vision of what you want to accomplish. Aim for something tangible, like running a mile in under 10 minutes or lifting a certain amount of weight. With a specific goal in mind, you'll have a tangible target to strive for. Remember, it's not about setting the bar high right off the bat, but gradually raising it as you grow stronger and more confident. Next, track your progress. There's nothing quite as satisfying as seeing how far you've come. It could be as simple as jotting down your workout details in a notebook, or using a fitness app. When you see your progress laid out, you're not only reminded of your capabilities but also of your potential to achieve even more. Now, on to finding a gym buddy. Working out with a friend can turn a routine workout into a fun social event. It's a great way to stay accountable, challenge each other, and make fitness more enjoyable. So, reach out to a friend or make a new one at the gym. Change up your routine. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also the key to a well-rounded fitness regimen. Try different exercises, classes, or equipment. It can help challenge different muscle groups, prevent workout boredom, and keep you excited about your next gym session. And lastly, reward yourself. No, not with a massive slice of chocolate cake, but with something that makes you feel good and celebrate your hard work. It could be a relaxing massage, a new workout outfit, or even a movie night. Recognizing your efforts and celebrating your achievements can reinforce the positive association with working out and keep you coming back for more. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you and stick to it. After all, this is about your fitness journey, and the most important thing is to enjoy the ride while you're on it. Implementing these tips might not be easy, but it's worth it. Let's face it, change can be tough. It's like trying to turn a ship around. It takes time and effort. However, the most common challenges you might face are often mental ones. You might find yourself battling the voice in your head that says, "It's too hard," or "I don't have time for this." But remember, that voice doesn't control you. You do. So, how do you overcome these challenges? Start by setting realistic goals. Don't aim to be a bodybuilder in a month if you're just starting out. Be patient with yourself and celebrate each small victory along the way. Furthermore, keep in mind that everyone has off days. Don't let one bad day at the gym discourage you from your overall goals. Instead, use it as fuel to push harder next time. Another challenge might be the feeling of boredom or monotony. The solution here is to mix up your routine. Try different exercises or classes, or even switch up your workout music. Lastly, always remember why you started. There will be days when you want to quit, but recalling your initial motivation can help you push through those tough times. In the end, overcoming these challenges is not just about getting fitter or stronger. It's also about building resilience and mental toughness. So, hang in there. Overcoming challenges is part of the journey, and it makes the end result even more rewarding. So, to keep your motivation high at the gym, remember these tips. Set clear goals for yourself, and track your progress regularly. Find a gym buddy to make workouts more enjoyable and change up your routine to keep things interesting. Don't forget to reward yourself for your hard work and perseverance. Overcoming challenges is part of the journey, so embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Staying motivated at the gym isn't always easy, but with these tips, you're one step closer to reaching your fitness goals. So get out there and conquer your workouts with renewed vigor.